Hey, and welcome back to Oily Time with Jax. This week, I'm going to cover an oil that I don't think gets enough light shed on it, and it's actually fantastic. What is it, you say? Carrot seed oil. Yeah, I had no idea how many great uses carrot seed oil has until I really started looking into it. I'm like, I saw it sitting on my shelf. I bought it for a reason. Months went by, totally forgot why I wanted carrot seed oil. And I decided to look into it. And holy smokes, is this a fantastic oil. Who knew? And it's distilled from the actual seeds. That's why it's called carrot seed. We don't actually take full-grown carrots and squish them down. We actually just use the seeds. It's actually known as a carrier oil, and it is a bit greasy to touch. But it's fantastic, and it does a lot of things. It has a really nice earthy, sweet smell to it. It's a fantastic oil, like holy smokes. So if you have some great uses for carrot seed oil, because I am new to learning all the great things that this oil does, please put them in the comments below. Let's share information, right? And if you need to pick up some carrot seed oil by the time this is done, please go to the person who sent you here. And if you don't have an oil person, I am so happy to be your oil lady. We'll talk, right? My information will be in the comments below. Right? Okay, let's get on with it. Cool things that carrot seed oil can do, right? You can take a 50 ml empty bottle, so something this size, right? And just put in, and I'm going to read off this list for you, and I'll also put the recipe at the end of this little bit here, so you don't have to pause right now, right? I'll just put a little card up so you can write down the recipe then, or just refer to it whenever you want. So you're going to take an empty 50 ml essential oil roller bottle, so that way we're not wasting or throwing something away that can be reused, right? We're going to clean it out, peel off the label, relabel it. Okay, we're going to put in 10 drops of carrot seed oil, 10 drops of Copaiba, 10 drops of Geranium, and 10 drops of tea tree oil, and fill the rest with jojoba oil. And what this is going to do is going to make your face feel amazing and look amazing and give you that nice youthful glow. We're going to put it on a cotton ball and just apply it in the morning and at night as part of your daily routine. Like, hello, awesome face serum. Carrot seed oil, really good for skin. I just found that out by researching it, looking at my oils and going, what is that one for again? I mean, I don't know everything. I'm learning as I go, and I have quite a few oils that I'm going to be doing that with in the future, and just going, oh wow, did you know you could do this with this oil? So please share your ideas with us. Okay, here's your recipe coming up. Okay, another thing you can do with carrot seed oil is diffuse it and make this nice, warm, sweet, earthy smell by using 4 drops of lemon, 2 to 3 drops of carrot seed oil, and 1 drop of clove. Think it sounds weird? Try it. It's actually really, really nice, and it's a nice grounding, I find. A grounding smell with the lemon oil. It just smells clean, and I just love it. So that's one thing you can do. It's a great way to wake up your mindset or change your mindset, especially if you're in a stressful situation. It's another idea of taking oils and using them to change your mindset, because scent brings back memories, which can help your mind detach from whatever it's fighting at the moment, right? So it's a really good diffuser recipe. Another thing you can do is take your carrot seed vitality oil. Now, this is in the US only at the moment. Health Canada has not approved, I'm up in Canada, has not approved carrot seed oil yet as an ingestible oil here, but it is approved in the US, and I have a lot of friends in the US, hello, and I have a few of my oil people are in the US as well, hey guys. And you can actually take your Vitality carrot seed oil and use them in your spicy dishes, your Asian cuisine. You can put them in salad dressings. It's actually another cool way, and you're going to use maybe 2 drops. So start with 1, go to 2 drops at a time, and do it to taste. You're going to be amazed at what this oil can do. Okay, another thing you can do is make a DIY conditioner with carrot seed oil. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So I will also have this recipe at the end of this little piece here, so you don't have to pause. I will have it so you can just stop there and write it down or refer to it when you want to. So we're going to take a 24-ounce spray bottle. We're going to put half a cup of deep conditioner. So whatever your go-to is, I use Young Living's conditioner because I just find it amazing. And again, we're talking natural products, ditching and switching, right? But I'm only going to use like half a cup, right? And I've got a 24-ounce bottle. right? So we're getting a lot out of it and we're making it go a long way. So half a cup of your deep conditioner, and then 2 cups of distilled water, 8 to 10 drops of the carrot seed oil, and then we got 8 drops of rosemary and 8 drops of cedarwood oils to add in there, because cedarwood and rosemary, they're really good for your scalp and stimulating growth. So that is a really good conditioner to leave in. You're going to spray it on to your wet hair, like pat it down, get to a point where you're not dripping, right? And spray it on to your wet hair and leave it in. It's a nice DIY leave-in conditioner, and it works. Yay! And it's all natural. You don't have any chemical products in these things. They're all natural products. It's just a great way to use your oils and make them go further, and you're starting to ditch and switch the products. You see where I'm going here with all that, right? So you can also use carrot seed oil to infuse your sunscreen. Add 1 to 2 drops to your sunscreen. I use Young Living's mineral sunscreen, and it just helps to add extra moisture to your sunscreen. And again, carrot seed oil is fantastic for your skin, right? You can also add it to your after sun. If you're making your own after sun gel, like with pure aloe vera gel, not anything that has any chemical compounds in it, just pure aloe vera gel, add 1 to 2 drops to that and then put that on your skin. It's going to really help with your skin healing and the cooling effect after, right? So we want to make sure that you're soothing your irritated skin. Then another thing you can do, and this is where my aha moment with carrot seed oil, if you haven't had one already, you might be doing it to this one, is you can use it in a joint roller. Take an empty 50 ml essential oil bottle, right? And we're going to add 15 drops of carrot seed oil and 10 drops of basil, 10 drops of Eucalyptus Blue, not like the globulus that I talked about in another video, the Eucalyptus Blue, 5 drops of peppermint, and 5 drops of frankincense, and then fill the rest with V6 oil or coconut oil, and put a roller top on that. Or you can just put a drip top like it comes with and drip it onto your joints and massage it in with your fingers. Yeah, it's actually really good for joints. That was my aha moment with carrot seed oil. Wow, I had no idea. I've not been using this in my joint and muscle rollers, so I will be from now on. And that's a pretty good recipe. I'll also put that up here for you right now. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this, for me, eye-opening experience on carrot seed oil. Had no idea what to do with this or why I even got it in the first place, but wow, there's a lot of things you can do. I'm looking forward to hearing from you and your DIY hacks that you have with carrot seed oil. And of course, if you need to get some of this, talk to the person who sent you here. Or if you don't have an oil person, I'm happy to be your oil lady, of course. I look forward to hearing from you with your DIY tips. And of course, if you like what I'm doing, hit the like bell and subscribe. And smashing the bell actually gives you notifications of when I drop another video, which is usually on Wednesdays, and I call it Wellness Wednesday. All right, I look forward to hearing from you. Stay safe and happy oiling.